and welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick look at how to download an asset from the library. To do so, head on over to Applications, under Library in the main menu, click the card of the asset that you would like to download, scroll down until you see the download prompt, click it. Your ability to download and use these assets may be limited by your permissions or by the asset's license. In any case, agree to the terms and click the link to the zip file in order to download it. Open the zip file and optionally give the folder a more convenient name, and you will now be able to use this asset outside Concert. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel or our help site, which contains these videos and articles that cover these topics and many more. And as always, the relevant links are in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.